how to create intelligence families in Revit. So in this video, I will go with the profile family. So I want to create a kitchen cabinet. For that, I will take the profile family. So first I will create a wall that is level 1 to level 2, and I will make it is a kitchen. So it is 10 feet by 10 feet, for example. And I want to create a profile here, that is a sweep profile. Sweep won't work when you are in a 2D, so make it a 3D. And I want to work with this. I'll make it realistic. Okay. Next, go to the file, new family. You can choose any type of the family. You are good in a metric system, or it is in a uh, feet and inches, you can select. But here I will go to the profile family. You can take the profile, it is for all, like you can use the hosted, mullion, rail, reveal. And if you want a specific family for the wall sweep, then go to the profile, reveal, open it. And this is the wall side. So we'll create a profile is nothing but you have to create a closed shape. So I will create a line here. So this line, I will make it is 1 feet 9 inches. And from here I will take 3 inches and 3 inches. Then I will make it is 1 feet 7 inches. Then I will go with 2 inches. This is the top, kitchen top. So I will close this one. Okay. So if you want to control with the parameters, you can give the dimensions. So I will make first align. This line should be aligned. Uh, sorry, align. So this line should be aligned on the reference plane and lock it. This is on the reference plane, lock it. Then I will go with the dimension. I will give the dimension of this one 1 feet 8 inches, and this is the 1 feet 11 inches. This is the 2 feet 1 inches, and I will give the total height. And then I will give this is 3 feet and 2 inches. So which is the one you are going to modify, you can keep them without lock. And which is going to fix this, you make it lock. So I will lock these two. And I will give the parameters. So go to the selection. So this is the one, give the parameter. The parameter, I will go with the instance parameter or type properties. You can give that whatever the parameter. So I will use this a type only. Here I will give it is a bottom one. So it is L1. Simply I will give some name, and I will select this one, create another parameter. It is a same type, it is L2. And click on OK, select this one and create a parameter. For this I will give L3. And this is the total height. I will give the parameter for this one is height. And here we can't give the material parameter, so simply I will load this into project, or you can save the folder and save as a family. It is a family for the kitchen. So I will go to load into project, and go to the 3D. I will take the sweep, wall sweep, and make it edit type. I will make it duplicate. And in this duplicate you can type it is a some kitchen cabinet sweep, and click on OK. You can find the profile from the default section. So the profile section you can select instead of default, because we didn't give any name. It will come as a family 1, family 2. And what is the material for this one? You can apply the material here, or you can able to apply the material in the model itself. So for now I will leave this one. Click on apply it. OK. Now select the bottom edge of the wall. I will select here, and here it is a L type. So press escape. Now you can see that the kitchen cabinet, it is within easy way we have created. If you want to apply material for that, you can use in the when you are creating the profile, you can apply it. Or otherwise, suppose I want to apply here, you can take that and you can apply the profile, uh, particular profile to the paint. and here I will apply this to the white, and for the rest I can apply some tile or any other thing. For this one we can apply it. So this is the way we can use the families. And if you want to adjust anything here, go to the family section, go to the profiles, and this profiles you can find the family one. So select this, explore this family one, and next one is double click, or you can use the type properties. So click on the type properties. Here we have the height 2 feet. I want to make this is the 3 feet height. Click on apply, and it is changing. This way we can create intelligent families using single simple steps with the single profiles, and th- this way we can achieve it.